So today we are learning water filtration process. What we are learning today? Everyone have RO filters in their houses?
Yes, sir.
How it works? Do you know? How they work? There's a filter,
Yes, sir.
there's a charcoal,
Yes, sir.
and a cotton filter fitted in this. Okay? Everyone know this? And today we are going to demonstrate the same process. And for that what we need is a bottle. We will cut it in half and two pieces, the top part and the bottom part. We will use the bottom part as a glass and top part as funnel. How we will use it? This will be used as a funnel and this will be used as glass.
Glass.
And in this cap we will make some holes with the help of compass. How will we help? Okay. And we need a cotton, a tight cotton. Okay. We need some activated charcoal to filter it, to remove the toxic taste, flavor and metals, sticks and all the dirt particles. Okay. And today we have also some soil. Okay. It will make our water more dirty. Now you can see this is our dirty water and this is our clean water. Now we are going to make this water look like this. Okay. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? First of all, you can see I have made some holes here with the help of compass. Okay. So now I will fix it here. We will use it as a, how will we use it? As funnel. And how will we use it? As glass. We will put this funnel on this glass, okay? Now we will put some good quantity cotton down there on the bottom of this funnel. Like this. Okay? Then we are going to use activated charcoal.
Activated charcoal.
Then we are going to pour the soil in it.
Soil.
Then I have some rock also here. We will put them also in it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now the filter is ready. What we have to do next is to pour the dirty water in it. Okay? Look clearly. You can see how much dirty was this. There was a lot soil and I have poured all the water in it. Okay? Now it will flow through the rocks just like rivers which flows through mountains, and mountains are made of rocks, and it will flow from rock to soil, mix it with soil, make it more dirtier, then it will flow through charcoal. And what will charcoal do?
Water clean.
It will remove all the toxic flavors, taste and metals or sticks and all the dirt particles. And then we have cotton at the bottom of this funnel. It will filter all the toxic things we have poured in it. The water will come here as clean as possible, and you can see what we have done here. It will come starting soon. Okay? Okay. Now let's wait for 5 minutes only. Now look at here. Can you find any difference?